Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items to cart on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your eBay app on your phone. Make sure it's an updated version of the app and then you have signed in as well. Then we're going to be going to the search bar and typing in the product that you want to buy, and then we're going to search it up. Once you have done so, you're going to find the product for you. Go ahead, tap on the product that you would like to purchase. As soon as you do that, you're going to scroll down a bit and you will find this option of buy it now, add to cart, make offer, and add to watch list. Tap on this option of add to cart and tap on go to cart. There you go. As simple as I've shown, your cart is ready as well and your product is in your cart. I'm going to be crossing this out and I'm going to show you again. You're going to again go back, tap on any other product, scroll down and tap on add to cart and tap on go to cart, or you can cross it out, and when you go back you have this section of cart icon given on top right corner. You're going to tap on it and you will find the products that you have added over here. You can choose to simply go to checkout and purchasing them right away, or you can simply again go ahead and add as many items as you would want, tapping on it and tapping on cart. That's how easy it is. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.